This is the solution video for question 15 from paper 1 of the 2019 TMUA or CTMUA exam. In this question, we're asked to find the non-zero solution to the following. 2 to the 9 to the x over 8 to the 3 to the x is equal to a quarter. And we're given 6 different options for what our non-zero solution x could be, which are listed here. So the thing we need to look at for this is, take our expression here, and we need to put this in a better form. This is unworkable within its current form. So the first thing to think about doing is try and get this denominator as 2 to the power of something, and then we can minus the powers and we might be able to get somewhere. So if we look at 8 to the 3 to the x, we know 8 is 2 to the 3, so we can rewrite this as 2 to the 3, or to the power of 3 to the x, and then we can just times these powers. So 3 to the x times 3, we get 3 to the x plus 1. So now we can rewrite this as this. So 2 to the 9 to the x divided by 2 to the 3 to the x plus 1 is equal to 2 to the minus 2, where we've changed a quarter into 2 to the minus 2. So they're all the same number to some power in this equation, and we can make some comparisons in a minute. So this side, we just minus the powers. And so we have 9 to the x minus 3 to the x plus 1 as the power of 2 on this side, and minus 2 on this side. So for this equality, the powers must be the same. So we get 9 to the x minus 3 to the x plus 1 equals minus 2. So where do we go from here? Well, we use pretty similar logic to here, that we changed the 8 to the 2. We changed 8 to 2 to the 3, so that everything was some number to the power of something. So let's do the same idea here, because we can notice that 9 is 3 squared. So let's substitute in 9 for 3 squared. We get 3 squared to the x minus 3 times 3 to the x is equal to minus 2. And you'll notice that 3 squared x, that's just 3 to the x squared. So minus 3 times 3 to the x plus 2 is equal to 0, where I've just moved minus 2 across. So what have we gained from this? Well, you'll notice that this is actually a quadratic in 3 to the x. It's also quadratic we can find the roots for quite easily. We can see that this is the factorisation, because minus 2 times minus 1 is 2, and minus 2 plus minus 1 is minus 3, so we get this minus 3 here. And we're nearly there. So we now know that we've got two cases to deal with. 3 to the x is 2, or 3 to the x is 1. Let's deal with 3 to the x is 1 first. So 3 to the x is 1. Take log to base 3 of both sides, and we get x is 0, which is a solution, so we don't really care about it. So let's go for our other one. 3 to the x is equal to 2. So we take log to base 3 of both sides, and we get x is log of 2 to base 3. This matches with A in our possible answers, and so we know our answer is A.